Hello, my name is Ben Markey Young, and I'm the Senior Product Owner at Velocio, specifically for our SilverLeaf products. Today I want to show you our load management functionality that helps growers plan their logistics. Planning for many orders going out the door in a single day can be a nightmare. Coordinating with your inventory and sales teams, plus internal and external drivers, is a lot to handle without the proper tools. We offer numerous features within our load management tool, so please reach out if you have any questions that are not covered during this video. To start, I'm going to navigate to our load screen. From here, we will see existing loads that have been created, as well as be able to start new loads. We can also act upon these loads from the screen, whether that be posting, generating our racking information, creating warehouse shipments and picks, or printing bill of ladings. I'm going to open up one of our existing loads. If I were to start this new, we would want to enter in our load description. This can be whatever makes sense for your team. We need to choose the location in which this load will be shipping out of. We can then additionally, if at this time we know the driver that's going to be driving, we can choose that driver. As you see, the driver's vehicle information pre-populated down below. That's because this driver is associated with this specific truck. If a driver is not assigned to a specific truck, we can assign it at the time of the load creation. We can start filtering for salespeople and purchasers, territories, shipment methods, and so forth. We can identify if this is going to be a round trip or not. For this example, we're not going to do a round trip. Now we can start getting into our driver information. Again, you don't need to do this initially, but it might be best to eventually do this so that you understand and can ensure that you have the drivers in place and the vehicles in place while you plan. I can choose from our existing company-owned vehicles. So I'm just going to choose this vehicle here just for us today. At this point, we can identify our departure date and time. We can also identify if this is going to be an overnight trip. What we can additionally do is create a planned departure date and time. And so that way, if there's any difference between what we planned and what the actual is, we can capture why there was a difference in the time that we wanted to leave versus when we actually did leave. And we can use our departure delayed reasons. At this point, I'm ready to add orders or transfer orders or purchase return orders to this load. So I'm going to say get delivery requests up top here. From here, I now am brought to a list of released sales and transfer orders or purchase return orders for this east location. I'm going to go ahead and just choose these orders right here. There's quite a bit of information to help your team filter and identify orders that should be assigned to a load together. We can go over those fields with you at any other time. So I'm just going to choose these and say okay. What this is now saying is that my load is vehicle rack capacity is full. I'm going to say yes, I do want to continue. And then now it's saying there's also unassigned deliveries with the same destination address and origin address. Do you want to assign those to this load? So basically I have orders out there that are coming from the same location of the east location and shipping to the same customer. I'm going to say no for this example today. We've got several of them on there. And so now we've added these to this order. Immediately we can notice that our vehicle rack capacity is at 24, but our orders are at 41. So let's just do a quick unassign of a single load. So I'm going to unassign that load that order that had 28 racks on it. We can also see that we have multiple orders on here that don't have a rack count. What's great about here is I can just say generate shipment racking. And this will generate all the rack counts for the orders that don't have racks already assigned. We notice that there's one order on here without racks. That might just be the customer's preference, might be the shipping preference. There's many things that we can discuss for racking in another video. From here, excuse me, I can open up and say view order lines. So I want to see what products are actually shipping per order here. So as I select any one of these given orders, I can see the specific items that are on these orders and the quantity. At this point, I can also use our Google Maps integration to say update estimated time, date and time. So what this is going to do is this is going to update my estimated departure date and time and arrival based on the distance between each one of these locations. I can additionally say optimize route or show map on route on map. So this is a horrible load, but it's a good example to show you the power of what we can do with Google Maps. I can then say, you know what, maybe the way that I put this together isn't optimal. So I want to optimize this route. And what this will do is this will call on Google Maps to ask what stop should be first, what stop should be next. And in sequence, it will identify the best and most efficient route possible for this load. As you see, it did change the order of these drops. There's many other functionalities that we can go over within this feature, so please reach out if you have any questions. Thank you so much and have a great day.